Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2019 Indian FTR 1200S race replica. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2019 Indian FTR 1200S race replica with 1,414 miles runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, and cruise control. It's been upgraded with integrated rear turn signals and an aftermarket plate bracket. Powered by a 1203cc V-twin engine, the FTR puts 123 horsepower and 87 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 3.4-gallon fuel capacity, the FTR has a 110-mile range. It has a 33.1-inch seat height and a 518-pound wet weight. To pass New Hampshire state inspection, this FTR will need rear turn signals and a license plate bracket with sufficient visibility. As mentioned above, this bike does not pass New Hampshire state inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 4 seconds, and the rear at 5 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician noted that the rear brake pedal is bent inward. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a blemish on the gauge screen. This bike has 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.